Yeah, hey there YouTube, if you can hear me at all. Yeah, this video is just gonna be about a stupid truck ride. I know. Boring as crap, isn't it? But anyways, I'm in the back of a truck right now. A few nice trailers. Look at my hairy legs. Look at that hairy leg. No, just joking. Somebody had a party. Huh. Yes. Oh, crap. Better hope that sheriff didn't see us. Oh, gosh. Did you guys see that? Policeman? What? Yeah, I know. I saw that. Oh gosh, I cannot believe that. It's so close. Did they even see us? Oh my gosh, I hope they didn't. Anyways, you guys, better jump off here. Just, not arouse any suspicion. Okay? Because we're gonna have police officers coming after us and stuff. And we don't have the money to pay anything. Because we're currently still moving. You can see all this crap. We are on our, second load for today. But oh well. Alright. Well, nice talking to you, YouTube. And as always, see you next time.